Ready to ditch the financial stress and finally take control of your money? Let's dive into how to use Goodbudget, the budgeting app that uses the envelope system to help you manage your finances effectively. First, download Goodbudget from your app store and create an account. You can sign up for free or choose a paid plan for more envelopes and features. Now, let's set up your envelopes. Think of these as your virtual jars for different spending categories like groceries, rent, and transportation. Tap the plus button to create a new envelope, give it a name, and set your monthly funding goal. This is how much you plan to spend in that category each month. Next, it's time to add your income. Tap the income tab, enter the amount you received, and then allocate that income to your envelopes. This is the crucial step of the envelope system. Decide how much of your income goes into each envelope based on your funding goals. Now, let's track your spending. Every time you spend money, tap the plus button on the transaction screen, enter the amount, select the envelope you used, and add a note if needed. Goodbudget automatically deducts the expense from the corresponding envelope. Finally, monitor your progress using the Reports tab. Here you can see how much you've spent in each category, track your spending trends, and identify areas where you can save money. This insight will help you stay on track and achieve your financial goals. Goodbudget provides the tools. You bring the discipline. Happy budgeting.